Chocolate! 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 I'm in love with the cocoa.
Engine number 9 on the New York Transit line. If my train goes off the track, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
So this morning we were in Cafeteria Mallorca and we overheard a couple say that they had a chocolate grilled cheese sandwich. Zaril's face automatically was like, oh my god, we have to have that. So we asked him where it was, and it was here in Cortes Choco Bar, located on Calle de San Francisco. And it smells like Willy Wonka's factory in here. Delicious.
Hold your breath. Make a wish. Count to 3. Come with me, and you'll be in a world of pure imagination.
It's so big.
Take a look, and you'll see into your imagination.
This is a Choco Parcha Frappe. Parcha is passion fruit. People in the Caribbean call it many different things.
Chinola.
Dominicans call it chinola, we call it parcha, but for the most part, everybody calls it Mallorca. It's passion fruit. And this is just absolutely mind-blowing. It's not too sweet either. It's like perfect. So we have 2 dishes here. This is the chulapito de mofongo. They're like tacos, but the shells are made out of plantains. And there's pork in there with mango and mole sauce. Mole is derived from chocolate. Comes with a side of guacamole and extra mole sauce. And then this is the chocolate grilled cheese that we heard about this morning. That was our must-have item. We are getting ready to eat. Which one do I go for first? I'm gonna have to go with this one first. Look at that. This is unlike anything I've ever had before in my life. The saltiness of the cheese and the sweetness of the chocolate just go so good together. So I'm gonna put a little sauce on there. Again, mofongo shell. Spicy, savory, sweet, crunchy. Oh my god, so good. Look at that part.
Describe this place in 2 words.
Chocolate.